The heightened arousal is the hypervigilance, being on guard or highly sensitized to the environment. And especially when one has been victim of chronic traumatization from another person, it's very common to become highly sensitized to other people's body language, facial expressions, voice tone, the sound of how someone walks down the hall, the experience of the smells in the room, whether someone has been drinking or a certain cologne, right? Like all of the senses become very heightened. And this can also show up as a profound dysregulation of the physiology, and is often a clue to early disorganized attachment, or the experience of the physiological impact of repeated threats in childhood. So often these overwhelming arousal states then disrupt a client's ability to function at work, at home, in relationships, trying to raise kids, so on and so forth.